Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me all right? Perfect. Thanks so much for being here. I'm Philip Dodge. I am the Executive Director of the Downtown Columbia Partnership. And first things first, I would like to welcome our elected officials. And since Guy is here, we will do the Guy Gazzoni one clap for each of them. First up, Dr. Calvin Ball, our County Executive. Perfect. Next up, Senator Guy Gazzone. Delegate Jessica Feldmark. Delegate Pam Gazzone. County Councilperson Deb Young. And former County Councilperson Mary Kay Siggety. Did I miss anyone? Perfect. Well, as many of you guys know, I'm a bike guy, so celebrating a road that takes cars only is a little off-brand for me. But as you'll hear from our other speakers, the North-South connection will make it easier for employees and visitors to get in and out of downtown. It will reduce congestion on local roads, making them safer for cyclists and more convenience for those in cars. It will improve response times for our first responders, and it will open up the area to more efficient transit connections. Transportation improvement is core to the partnership's mission of strengthening downtown Columbia as a desirable place to live, work, and play, so this is a happy day for us. And with this new infrastructure, we're improving our chances and the timing of the implementation of the Flash Bus Rapid Transit and improved routes for RTA and commuter buses by providing direct movement into and out of downtown Columbia. With that, I would like to welcome our County Executive, Dr. Calvin Ball.
Good morning, everyone. It's fantastic to be here today with you to mark this milestone for Howard County and the future of downtown Columbia. The opening phase of phase one of the US29 North-South Connector, or known as the Jughandle, is more than just a completion of a roadway. It's a step forward in fulfilling our shared vision of a vibrant, connected community. A vision that I was humbly honored to help craft as a member of the County Council with Mary Kay Siggety. Thank you so much for being here. And with the adoption of the Downtown Columbia Plan in 2010 and subsequent amendments in 2016. Our Downtown Columbia Plan has already led to substantial growth in infrastructure improvements, with building permits issued for over 240,000 square feet of retail, more than 750,000 square feet of office space, and more than 1,600 housing units across various downtown neighborhoods. Enhancements to our transportation network include new roads, improved intersections, and expanded pedestrian and cycling pathways, making it even more accessible and easier to enjoy downtown, even without a car still. And cultural improvements such as renovations at Meriwether Post Pavilion and the creation of public spaces like Vivian C. Milley Bailey Park at Columbia Lakefront have further enriched and improved our community for all. And when we open the new cultural center, we will add yet another amenity to the rich offerings of our vibrant downtown community. And this will be a reflection of our dedication to an inclusive, affordable place to live, work, and grow. The North-South Connector will further strengthen one of the strongest economies in the state by improving transportation infrastructure and helping to attract more businesses to lease world-class office space and retail space right here. This connection will improve mobility, accessibility, and ensure residents and visitors alike have safer, more efficient ways to navigate our growing downtown, with phase one providing direct access to the Meriwether District from US 29 north to travelers from our south. From improvements in infrastructure and housing to investments in cultural landmarks, together we are delivering on a downtown design for the growing of people. I'm incredibly proud of our progress, and I look forward to our continued collaboration to build upon this momentum in the coming years. And now, I have the honor of introducing a dear friend to Howard County, of course, the state of Maryland, and downtown Columbia, a champion, a visionary, and I don't know, there are thousands of other wonderful things we could say about my dear friend and mentor. I was talking until he got uncomfortable. Senator Guy Gazzoni.
Hey, everybody. I was sitting there wondering who was talking about. Building community is, I think, the root of what we do as elected officials. And building community is tough. It's complicated. And we do our very best to put all the pieces together as part of government to work with the business community, entertainment, recreation, housing, all those component parts that hopefully make a great place. And I'm just real honored that over the years, I've had a front row seat of what has been going on here in Columbia. And it's special. It really is. You know, clearly one of the biggest components, which this day is all about, is that moving around makes a difference. Being able to come in and out and experience all the good things that we've got going is what we're celebrating here today. And I'm just very pleased that the state delegation was able to play a role in helping to fund a good chunk of this project. And I'm really excited about it. I actually also happen to now have an office down here. So that's a little convenient for me. And as I come in, I'll be using it in the morning. But a lot of people will. And it's going to make things work here so we do get that cool, fun place that we all want to support and where we want to live. And I'm just thankful that everyone came together to make this happen. So thank you all.
Next, I would like to welcome County Councilperson Deb Young.
Thank you, Philip. And thank you, Senator Gazzone, for all that money. We appreciate it, we really do, at the county level. So some people may be wondering, why are we celebrating an exogram? I mean, it does seem a little odd, but as we now know, it's a lot more than an exogram. And that's really critically important to ensuring that this wonderful area that we are in right now, thank you, Christy Smith, you're looking at me, that Howard Hughes is developing is going to be much more accessible. And I also spoke to Mark Minnick, who is our wonderful director over at Toby's Dinner Theater, before I came up here. And I asked Mark, will this make life easier for you at Toby's? And he said, assuredly. And I think that it's really important that we are trying to find ways to get cars off of our neighborhood streets, because I live in this neighborhood. So trust me, the less congested it is, the better. And having this north-south connector will make it so much better for the people who want to come and visit this beautiful area. And as time goes on, even more vibrant and the heart of our downtown. It's a great step in the right direction to see that we're going to be doing this. I know that we have our head of our Office of Transportation here. I'm sure that he's taken a really long, hard look at this and would agree that this is the right step forward to ensure that people can get where they want to go and not have to worry about making a illegal left-hand turn. I'm sorry, that's probably an insider piece, but we know, most of us here in this room, that there are a lot of illegal left-hand turns being made right now. And it's a dangerous move, people, so don't do it. But soon you will not have to do it because we will have this wonderful north-south connector. And thank you all for making sure that we have a safe and easy way to access the wonderful things that we are being offered here in downtown Columbia.
Thank you, Deb. Now please join me in welcoming Captain Ashley Weber of the Meriwether Fire Station.
Good morning. I am Captain Ashley Weber, and I serve as the station captain for Howard County Department of Fire and Rescue Services at the Meriwether Station, located right here in the Meriwether District. Today marks an incredible step forward for our community with the official opening of the 29 North-South Connect. This project represents not just improved infrastructure, but a vital enhancement for how we can serve the citizens of Howard County. Looking ahead, the planned opening of the ramp connecting Symphony Woods to Broken Land will further revolutionize our ability to quickly respond. This connection will improve our access to Route 29, creating a direct and efficient pathway for our crews to respond to those in need of fire and EMS services. The impact of this improved access cannot be overstated. It enhances our readiness, boosts operational efficiency, and most importantly, ensures that our community members that depend on us when it matters the most will have an efficient and timely response. Thank you all for your dedication in recognizing this important project. Together, we're not just building better roads, but a safer and stronger Howard County.
Thank you so much, Captain Weber. And now we have one final speaker. I'd like to welcome Christy Smith, the President of Maryland Region for Howard Hughes Holdings.
I had a similar notion to Dr. Ball when I was reviewing the notes of the US29 North-South connection, which we have affectionately referred to as the Jughandle, which is far less elegant than the other name. So, for us, this really is an opportunity to allow better access, into downtown Columbia and the Meriwether District. But it also, like Councilwoman Young said, it'll also help distribute folks throughout Columbia. So it's not just a benefit, for here. So providing more access for people, for them to get in and around this area is really tremendous. It certainly helps the businesses continue this thriving environment where we are all here today, and also helps residents getting to and from their homes and work. Really, it's a testament to partnership. When the community, developer, state, county all get together and work on something together, really tremendous things can happen. So we are thrilled to be here on the opening of first phase of the Jughandle, or the US29 North-South connection. We're really thrilled to play a part in it, and really thrilled to celebrate that with you all today. Thank you.
I could wing it, but I've been encouraged not to do that. Thank you, Christy, and all of our speakers. As your remarks make clear, the opening of the North-South connection means improved access for everyone, our residents heading home, someone trying to get to the hospital on a concert night, or concert goers and our businesses and their employers. This project really is a lift all boats kind of project, and we're excited to see phase 1 completed. I invite the speakers to join me for a ribbon cutting ceremony now, and everyone else I encourage to please enjoy this lovely spread. Thank you all for being here.
3, 2, 1.
Excellent.